Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Netflix app into your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. This is going to be a straightforward and simple tutorial. If you find it helpful, I want you to subscribe, I want you to like, I want you to leave a comment with any observation you find in your own experience. This helps the channel grow, and let's get back to the video. I'll be using the Google browser. Any browser will work as far as it is based on an Android operating system. So get into your browser and you're going to search the application you wish to download. In this case, I'll be showing you how to download the Netflix application step by step. So I'll type in Netflix, N-E-T, and this is it. After it loads, you see a couple of websites from which to download this app. Look at the play.google.com option and tap it. If this is your first time, Google is going to ask you to log in. Put in your account, and when you're logged in, you will see this install button. Click on it to begin installation, and after installation, you will find your Netflix app resting in your app drawer. Enjoy the application, and you have to be patient here. Depending on your internet speed, this will take a few seconds to maybe a minute. Now when it's installed, enjoy the application and give me feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.